Hello guys, welcome to the tutorial. So today I'm gonna show you how to work on the WordPress and how to create a website if you are new to it. So the thing is like you need to create a user ID in the WordPress and you just log in up there. So you'll be landing up in the site. So this is a dashboard. So first thing is like you need to set the theme of what you want of your WordPress or your website. So the thing is like first you will after landing up in that dashboard page, you will see a little bit small icon. It says change your theme completely. So right now actually my website has been totally built up. So I won't change the theme right now. So I will show you how it works. So just click on change your theme completely. Okay. So here we are getting many themes like I'm using the color mag. There are many options like activations, color, news, SEO optimized theme, lyrical, matter magazine. It's all depends on what type of website you want. If you want an e-commerce site, you can create. I mean, you can search it down up here. Here you'll be getting a option like add new theme. All it depends on your website, like what kind of website you are building, a blog or a news or a e-commerce site, or you're doing any business business type of site. So see, right now we have landed up in the new page. It shows 27 is the default one you will get in every this is the default one you will get in every WordPress. So later it says many are there. It's like see iShop, it is there. iShop, it's like shopping site you want to create. Then design studio if you want to create any studios, design types of studio, food restaurant if you want to create any church type of thing. So let's check out. You need to check out like whatever you want. So it's like there are popular latest videos, latest favorites, GoDaddy themes. So I am using GoDaddy as my web hosting. So you need to search for the themes and whatever you fits, you can check before seeing the like setting theme. You need to check like how it will looks like. I'm clicking on the details and preview, so it will show me how it looks. See, if I click this theme, it shows me like this. So theme preview, it will be showing up me like this. A recent post will be showing up here. Recent comments will be showing up here. Archives will be showing up here. Categories, if I have any categories. So links, HTML, category hierarchy, then hello world, everything will be showing up here. So the thing is like, see, here it has the home button, whatever you want to, if you want to keep any category or something. So it's all depends on what type of you want. Like I will show you one more. This is a shopping site iShop. So it will be having categories type. See, it's a news, like it will be going on a news theme, and this type of blog. It says blog, and like whatever you want to keep of here, you can keep like it shows here like all the stuffs. So it's all depend on your thing, like what theme you are using, and later customizing the theme is up to you, and all it depends on your capability, like till how much you can change it and you can customize it, and as well as it to make it innovative. So I'll show you how to customize after selecting the your website, like your theme. Then you need like you need to install it. Click here install. Then after installing, it will show like activate. You need to click on activate. That's all. So next you need to go to the customize. So click on the customize theme, and you'll be landing up in the customize of your website. Like I'm using the theme of color mag. So it will land up my like my website. My website name is revealing the facts. So let's check out so how it works and how it does. So see, this is the my logo of my website. So it depends on you, like you want to keep the logo only, or you want to keep the name of your theme, name of your website. So like you can click on there. See, it says change logo. You can change the logo. And what is the site title? It's like my site title is revealing the facts. If any tagline I have, I can keep it up here. And the most important is site icon. So it's like if you open in a tab, if you open in a Chrome tab or anywhere, what it will show up. See, you can check it out how it shows. So this is the site icon. So all you can depends on you, like what you want to keep it on here. So let's check out like how the site identity. So let me tell you, I'm using the color mag. So for using the color mag, like I have selected here like in the site identity I went, my logo is there, but I have written the site title. It's not showing any site title because you go down a little bit down, you will be getting in header option. In that header option I click the header logo. I'm I have enabled header logo only, so it's only showing the logo. So if I'm clicking on header text, so it will show the text only, the logo will won't show. If I click on show both, then it will show both. Just a second, I have clicked on header text only, so how it looks I will show you up. Just a second. Okay, so it shows revealing the facts, we reveal everything, that's all. So if I want to show both, so how it looks, it's all depend on you, like how you want to make your website creative. Like it should be something like a good website, like if anybody looks at it, yes, it's a good website. So see, I have written so both, it shows me in this way. So I will go for only header logo. Okay, so okay, the thing is like let's first start. I have told you like first thing I have told you what is the site identity. Site identity stays all the information of your site, like logo and the tab icon or something, whatever. So let's go to the next option is colors. So background color, like this color is I have selected white. I can change it to any color like red, any whatever you want. I can change it up here. So it's all depends on you like what color you want to keep. Then the header media. So header media is different and logo is different. Header media is like after this revealing the facts here, if I want to keep any in this place, if I want to keep any video or any image, I can keep it up. Like I will show you up, add image from my media library. I will select of anything. Let me select this and select and crop, and yeah, it's loaded. I want to keep, no, I want to skip the crop, and I'll show you where it actually shows. See, I told you up to the revealing facts it will show up here. So it's all depends on you like how you want to manage up your website and if you want to keep or if you don't want to keep. So it's all depends on you. Then the next part, just a second. Okay, so the header media consists of this part. If you want to keep anything, you can keep any video too if you want to keep. So the next part is background image. So the background image is like the backs, like it will be keeping under a border. Like if I want to select any background image, it will be rolling up background. So the first thing is like I'm using the color mag for that thing. Like I want to, if I click on a background image, if I select any of the background image also, it won't show up as I need to provide my website, my static page to wide screen. Just a second, I will show you up what I mean to say. Yeah, here it goes. The design options, then the site layout. The site layout should be in the boxed wire layout so that I can keep the background image. So the things like I don't want to keep the background image. Okay, so the background image is the normal thing. So let's go to the menus. Okay, here's the main part. This is the menus options like home, terrestrial, extraterrestrial, science and tech, news, contact, about us, and privacy and terms. So make sure like this privacy primary menu, and in this primary menu I have selected all the steps. You can add any items, like if you want to keep any extra parts, like yes, you have to keep some posts. Any post you want to keep directly, you can tag it up here and you can use it. Submissions, if you want to keep any submissions, like yes, this title or this title categories or formats, anything you want to keep. So the thing is like this is the primary tag, primary menu. You can add one more menu too, and like you can add one sub menu too. So all it depends on you. Like see, extraterrestrial. So I will just show you, just a second. You can add up a sub menu also. It's like let's check out, like I'm show you, it's one, and let's create the menu, and Okay, so add items. Okay, I will add this custom home and how it looks. Okay, home has been implemented, and let's check out how it shows. Um, I guess it's I might be somewhere nearby. Okay, why I don't know why it is not showing up. I guess primary menu current. Okay, this display option is primary menu options. Let's delete this menu. I don't want to keep all the steps. So the menu locations is also there. So in this menu locations, this is the primary menu. Edit the menu. You can edit the menu like whatever you want to type here. If I change this name to something else, this will also change up here. Then so on and so on. So this it's just a simple thing. Like it's all total about a simple thing. Like how you want to customize your website. And yeah, that's all I guess. Yeah. So the primary menu consists of all the steps. So let's say later I will go and I will show you the widgets. Widgets is the main part of this thing. Like if you want to create any well, like anything you can say, like any widget step, I will show you up just a second. It's this right sidebar. Right sidebar will be this part. So it's like you want to create any advisement, like advertisement, and any else thing, like any like advertisement, or you want to plug in like Facebook here. So just click on the like right sidebar. I'm clicking on the right sidebar, and the right sidebar first I have clicked on the Facebook page plugin. So all you need to do is like click on the just add, if you want to keep any title, that all depends on you. Just Facebook, you put the Facebook page URL, and so faces, like it will show up all these faces. So streams, page post, and all everything will be showed up here. And so cover photo will be this. So all depends on this. So let's check out the next one. Is like I have implemented this ad, and this ad was from Chitika. So you need to get the content from the ad Chitika, and you need to paste it up here. So it's all this simple. So you need to just create a whatever you want, like how you want to do it and all that stuffs. So this is the side menu, right side, this side. Header sidebar is this part. If I want to create anything in this part, header sidebar, I can create up tip here. So let's go to the next one, front page slider area. This, which is changing on continuously. See, it's changing on continuously. This is the part. Like I have clicked like click the feature category slider, and like it will slide up and slide up the recent posts, because I have selected here all the recent posts, so latest posts, and it will show up only 4 posts. So I can change it like 5 or 6 and whatever you want. So let's go to the next option is area beside the slider, this part. So this part consists of, like I have selected the highlighted post. This is the slider post, and this is the highlighted post. Highlighted post is something like you want to highlight it. So these are my newest like latest post. I have selected on the latest post, so it's all showing the latest post here. So if I want to show some categories, like from extraterrestrial I want to show something, then I can all the posts from extraterrestrial will show up here. If I want to show science and tech, it will show up here. So it's all depends on you, like what you want to select. So let's go to the next one is content top section. Content top section is nothing. It's like after this after the slide area, what you want to keep up here. So it's all depends on you. And the same thing, this is the top section, then middle section, then middle right, then bottom section, then comes to this one is footer sidebar 1. So footer sidebar 1 is this one. I will show you. See, this one is the footer sidebar. So like I want to show all my pages, so I just clicked it here, clicked it here. So everything has been done. Like if the sidebar 2 is consist of here, will come up here, sidebar 3 will come up here, and 4 will come up here. So all it depends on you how you are customizing your site. So let's go to the next option is static front page. See, static front page is this one which is inbuilt of WordPress. So it's all showing my latest post. If I want to click, if I click a static page, like I want to show a site, like a page which I have created, and I want that to be the home page. So I will show you up just a second. See, I have selected home as my front. It won't show anything because my front like home page is nothing. Like I'm not selected anything, so let it be your latest post. See, this change color is changing, red color. I'll show you why it is changing. I will change it to white because this looks but not better, like it says yuck. So let's go change up here colors, and the background color I want to change it to, yes, white, and done. Okay, so I will show you widgets is done. So let's go for static front page. I told you about what is that. So let's go for additional CSS. CSS is nothing but custom script. Like if you want to add any custom script, like if you want to do anything steps here, like on your own, if you have the knowledge of CSS, then you can do it up here. So related post is nothing. Related post is like if I click on anywhere, like I will show you up. I'm clicking on this time traveler Andrew Carlson. So what is the related post is like? It will show all the related posts. Like anybody goes to your website and click on any article, then if you want to show him all the related posts, whatever it is according to it, so all it will show up here. See, yeah, this is the related post. I hope you got it. What is the related post? So this is the related post, and you can change like select the layout. If you want to do show the date, show the thumbnail, show the context, whatever you want, you can just customize up here. So header option, I told you header option how it works. The header logo, if I want to change the header logo, if I want to select the header logo only or text or both, it all depends on you. Then main header area display type. So it's like, see, this is the menu options, like how you want to show. This is the home option and all the menus if you want to show like this, or you want to show the logo here and all the steps, like, or you want to show it up in this way. So all it depends on you how you're customizing. Header image position, all like you just read it down, you can get it now. Display default is display the header image between the site title, like how you want to show the header image. This the header image, it what it comes after below this, below the logo. So how you want to show it, all the steps. So the breaking news is if you want to activate the breaking news, see, I will click on this breaking news, it will show up on top, like yes, it's a breaking news, will be continuously rolling on. So just a second, I won't take much time, it will be over within some. See, it shows latest is secret, this post and this post, all your latest post will be shown up there. So all depends on you, like how you want to keep. Let me keep this. So show the date, theme default settings from WordPress date settings. So let's keep on theme default because the theme website, like I updated this time, so it will show up that time. If you are clicking on the WordPress date setting, then that might change differ, that might differ. And see, if you want to show the date in the header, this part anywhere, you can click on here, like show off here somewhere, the header part. So just a second, I think like it takes time to load and show you up how your website is customized. See, it shows Thursday, the date is shown, and the news is also shown. So I don't want to show the date, everybody knows the date, what is it. So let's go and check one more is so home icon. So home icon is this part, this home I have written. If you want to show the home icon directly up here without if you don't want to keep this home written over here, if you want to keep the home icon over there, you can click on there. Then sticky menu is, yes, you should enable the sticky menu. What it does, like if you enable it, So if you're scrolling it down, then this menu will be on top. Look, just I will show you how it works. uh, yeah, see, I'm just scrolling it down. See, this this part is on top. It's a sticky menu. If you just disable it, it won't be shown up here. So it's like I'm going down and it's all on top. So all depends on you, like how you want to keep that. And let's disable this. Okay, so search icon, if you want to keep any search icon here, like Google search or your website search, like any blog post, if any want to search, you can search it of your random post. Random post is, it will show up a icon of your random, that it will show up a random post. Responsive menu style. So responsive menu style is different. It's responses to the menu. So it's all depends on you, like how you want to customize it. And design option, I told you before also, it shows the site layout. See, front page settings is, you want to show the static front page on or not, and the site layout, it should be wide, as like it's the good one. If you click the boxed one, so one side layer will come, like one border will come on the total whole everywhere. I will show you how it works. The thing is, like, if I'll show you everything, it takes time. Yeah, the thing is, like, you can create it of yours. Like, you want to do it, you can do it up. So boxed side, yeah. See, you can check out. There's a gap in between from here to here. That's called the boxed layout. So I don't want to keep the box layout. So it's like if you're keeping any background image, this image will be showing up in this much part and this much part. So all depends on you. So let's go. Default layout is the main thing. Default layout is like how you want to show it. If you click this side is widget, so it will show up all the widgets. And if you're clicking this part, all the widgets will be coming under the left side. If you don't want to show the widgets, you can go for this, or else you can go for this. If you go for this, all the background images will be coming on this section. So I want to go for this. And default, so the same thing, default layout for pages. If you want all the pages, you want to set for like the layout. And for single post also, you can select it off here. Then primary color options. So this color is up bluish kind of something, so sky blue. So you can change the color if I want to change. I will keep it this one. So after this, I will show you social options. Social options is this one. So see, this my integrated YouTube and Facebook. So just write down your URL, Facebook URL, Twitter URL, Pinterest, YouTube, whatever you want. Just click on there. I will just add it up there with the icon. So no need to do anything. These are all our plugins actually. So footer option is the down option. So this one, see this one. So if I'm clicking on type 2, how it shows. Type 1 is actually on the default one, and type 2 will be showing up a different type. It all depends on you, like how you want to customize your site and how you want to implement it. So it's showing bit a different type. You noticed or not? I didn't saw, but see, like, just a second, I will show you. Make sure, check this how it is looking, and look, coming in a different type. But the things like this, what I saw is like there is no difference in this type 1 and type 2 of this footer page. See, it came in a different type. It's like coming, underlines are coming and all that stuff. So there's not difference in that. It all depends on your theme actually, what your theme is providing, and the related post by category. Like I showed you how what is the related post. So if you want to show it by category or by tags, so image light box is different thing. I will better tell, like, um, don't include this light box. Like right now you can't, like if you're just creating a website, it's not for you, like using the light box. So the category color option is like I have many categories like extraterrestrial and science and tech and news. I can change all the colors. Like I can give this one blue, green, and whatever you want. So all that's all about this thing, and I will tell you in the next part, like how to implement all these ads, how to get all these ads, and how you can implement on your website and how to do it. So I'll tell you on the next part. So thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and like the button. And if any doubts is there, please just contact me and just comment me below. I will help it out. Thank you.